Hello there and welcome back. You are now at Author Insider Secrets with Peggy McColl, and I'm going to share with you how your book could be a lead generator for you. So what is a lead generator? Well, that's something that obviously brings prospects to you that could potentially invest in one of your programs or your products or your services. And creating an ebook as a giveaway. Now, I just want to mention this. You could give away ebooks and you can also sell them. So I have a book here in my hand. It's a book that we use as a lead generator. It's called Power Life Script Quick Start Guide. Now you can get a copy of this online. We actually have a link for you right here on Author Insider Secrets so you can see where they are. But on the back of this book, you'll notice there are other books that we give away, like a book called A Million in a Month. That is another quick start guide that we use to give away as a lead generator that invites people into our program by the same name, A Million in a Month. I also have an ebook that we give away, and I don't have it in physical form. Now, some of my ebook giveaways we've put into physical form, but not all of them. So I do have some books that have been written that have never been printed, but yet they've been given away and they're used as a lead generator. So another one of the books that's on the back of the Power Life Script is an ebook giveaway that we give away. And I don't have a physical copy of it here because it's a lead generator ebook. And it's called Yes to the Dream. And you can find out more about that at yestothedream.com. And that is a lead generator for a program that I have called Manifest My Dream Home or Manifest Your Dream Home. And so an ebook can be something. Now this particular one, as I mentioned, Power Life Script, it is in physical form, as you can see, and it's color, full color inside, and it is available on Amazon to buy, or we give it away. And there's a link right here on this Author Insider Secrets page, or go to authorinsidersecrets.com and you'll be able to register so that you can see all the links that we use for ebook giveaways. But yet we also sell it. So it's available. People could buy it. Yes, it has great content in there as well. And we give it away, and it invites people to check out our program. What's the program? Well, it's a program called Power Life Script, which people will be led to that they can find. There's a link right in the book that says powerlifescript.com. So I have that one. Also gave away this book for a period of time called Manifest My Bestseller. Same thing, it's got some content, very color, very pretty inside. And this is an old one. It's not available anymore, mostly because we've updated it since it was released. And the reason why I created this, The Millionaire Author, was to give it away as a lead generator. And so what does that do for you? What does that do for you? Well, number one, it will grow your following. It'll grow your database, your email list. You can establish relationships with people. Now, I teach how to earn money online. I've been doing this for many, many years, for decades. And Million in a Month, we teach this as well, quite extensively, how to come up with an idea. And as a matter of fact, in the program, A Million in a Month, we actually give you our templates that we use for ebooks. And we teach how to actually get an ebook or how to create an ebook and use it as a lead generator that you can give away as well. So yes, it grows your following, it builds your email list, but it also can lead to revenue, can lead to sales, can lead to lots of sales. So I've created numerous books. I don't even know how many lead generator books that I've created over the years, but it's a very popular method of promoting online, and it's a very effective, if it's done right, of course we teach that too, it's an effective way of really growing your business, expanding your brand, building your presence online, and earning money, creating multiple sources, if not a source of income for you. Now, what are the sources of income from an ebook lead generator? Well, if you are leading people to a program or to a service or to a product, they're going to be buying. Easy, right? It could be multiple programs, multiple services. Also, you could put people into what's called a funnel, a sales funnel. Let's say they download your free ebook and then they buy one of your programs and then they buy another program and then another program and then they go into a higher end program. So as you can see, you can ultimately really, really create a phenomenal, strong business just from implementing that one idea. So if you're interested in knowing more about that and you would love to be earning really great money online, check out amillioinamonth.com. And it's a wrap for this Author Insider Secrets. I'll see you inside Author Insider Secrets for more valuable content that we share for you to help you succeed in every way and in any way as an author. My pleasure to be here to serve you.